Before I join a customer call, ChatGPT Work has proactively prepared a brief. Afterward, it turns the conversation into notes, follow-up emails, and proposed CRM updates for me to review. Previously, this would take half the day. Now I can spend that time with my customers. Hi, I'm Alex. I work in sales at OpenAI. Before ChatGPT Work, every customer call created hours of prep and post-call tasks. I'll show you how you can delegate a lot of that work to ChatGPT in 5 steps. First, I go to ChatGPT and select Work. You can also do this on the desktop app. Then, I connect the tools that hold my customer information, including Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Gong, Google Drive, and Salesforce. Next, I tell ChatGPT what I need before each meeting, like account history, open questions, and key people involved. If I'm on the go, I can even dictate updates to briefs, slide decks, and CRM from my phone, all with consistent formatting. For example, I'd ask, "Hey ChatGPT, can you pull the account brief for our upcoming meeting since I'm on the way and I can read it?" I describe what should happen after the call, create the notes, draft the follow-up, propose system updates, and identify next steps for the rest of my team. Finally, I review and approve customer-facing messages and important changes before anything's sent. Before the meeting, ChatGPT gathers the account context and builds a prep brief for everyone on the internal invite. Now, you can spend less time managing the process and more time focused on your customer.